Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Ollama, a game-changing tool that lets you run powerful AI model like LLM-2, Mistral and V2 directly on your computer. No internet required. Whether you are into chatbots, coding or just experimenting with AI, this video is for you. Let's get started. First of all, I want to tell you something. What is Ollama? It is a free open source tool that make it super easy to run large language model LLM locally on your machine. Think of it as your personal AI playground. No need for expensive cloud services or an internet connection. Before you install Ollama, let's make sure your computer is ready to handle it. Here is what you will need. First of all, talk about operating system. Ollama works on Windows 10, 11, Mac OS 12.3 or later, and Linux. Ubuntu or Debian are recommended, so no matter what kind of computer you have, chances are Ollama will work for you. Now talk about RAM. You will need at least 8 GB of RAM to run Ollama smoothly. If you are planning to use large model like LLM-2, ID recommended 16 GB or more for the best performance. So now talk about storage. Make sure you have at least 4 GB of free space on your computer. AI model can be pretty large, so you will want to have some room to spare. So last is talk about GPU. It's optional. If you have a Nvidia or AMD GPU, it will make things run a lot faster. But don't worry, if you don't have, Ollama works just fine on regular CPUs to a GPU. It's just nice to have if you want to speed things up. Once you have checked all these boxes, you will set to Ollama and start running AI model on your own machine. It is that simple. Now that you know what Ollama is and what you need to run it, the next step is downloading and installing it. Stay tuned, I will show you the whole process step by step in this video. So here is my laptop screen. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser, and here we are going to the Ollama official website, ollama.com, and search on it. So here is we are Ollama official website, and click on it, download. So here you can download Ollama according to your operating system like Mac OS, Linux and Windows. Just click on it and download according to your operating system. So I am using Windows, so just click on your Windows, download for Windows, and it will show the download file. If you are using Windows, the file name show on Ollama setup.exe for Windows. If you are using Mac, the ollama.dmg file show on Mac OS. I have already installed on my laptop, so just cancel it, and I am going to just verify you Ollama model is installed or not on my laptop. So just click on Windows icon, and here click on it, terminal, and here, so just verify the Ollama model installed on or not on your computer or laptop. So just type Ollama space version. I have already installed on my laptop. Ollama version is 0.5.7. so yeah, so minimize the screen. So now we are going to the download models. So just open it, and here click on model. Here you can download several types of model for your niche and according to use, and here you can explore that DeepSeek R1, LLM 3.2, V4 and many more model like Mistral, LLM 3, Qwen 2, Qwen 2.5 and LLM 2. So here we can install LLM 2 model on my laptop. So just click on it, and here you can select according to 7 billion parameter, 13 billion parameter, 70 billion parameter. This is a large context model on LLM-2, so I am installing 7 billion parameter model on my laptop. So just copy that code here and going to the terminal, click on it, search icon and terminal. Here just copy paste Ollama run LLM-2, just enter. So I have already installed on my laptop. So if you are not installing, you will take some time to download. It will file 3.8 GB or something. So I have already installed Ollama Run LLM 2 on my laptop. So here just type your question. So I am asking, explain quantum computing in simple terms. Here I am typing. So here I am asking one question, explain quantum computing in simple terms. Just enter, and it will take some time to proceed. So it will start. Quantum computing is new and innovative way of processing information using principles of quantum machines. So yeah, answer was very pretty cool and easily to understand. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Got question? Drop them in the comment below. I would love to help. Until next time, happy coding, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.